Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Fidelity Bank account online. To begin, navigate to the Fidelity Bank website and locate the Open an Account section. You will need to provide some basic personal information, including your full name, current address, and contact details. Also, ensure you have your social security number and a government-issued photo identification readily available for the application process. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, you will choose the specific type of bank account you wish to open. Fidelity Bank offers various options, including personal checking and savings accounts, each designed for different financial goals. You will then be prompted to enter your employment information and details regarding your anticipated account usage. Be sure to note any initial deposit requirements, which can vary depending on the account you select. After selecting your account, Fidelity Bank will verify your identity to comply with federal regulations. This might involve submitting copies of identification documents. You will then link an external bank account to facilitate transfers. Funding your new account is simple. You can use a debit card, transfer funds electronically from another bank, or even make a mobile deposit. Some accounts may require a minimum opening deposit, such as $2,500. Once your application is approved and funded, your Fidelity Bank account will be activated, often within minutes. You can then immediately access your new account through their secure online banking portal and mobile application. These platforms allow you to manage your finances, set up automatic transfers, pay bills, and view digital statements, providing a seamless and convenient banking experience right from your device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.